Make an emoji-style illustration in Illustrator. Express yourself by designing a fun emoji with these quick and easy techniques for beginners and advanced users. Draw, adjust, and merge shapes creatively. It's easy to draw simple shapes and alter their appearance with a few deft edits. Round shape corners to create a whole new look, or create more complex shapes by merging. Use the Shape Builder tool to unite multiple shapes into one or to subtract one shape from another. You can color your emoji with your desired color selecting from the color palette. Liven up your emoji with special effects that change its color and appearance. Apply a glow effect that adds a smooth color blend to your colored shape. From the Appearance panel, select your fill color and then choose Effects, Stylize Inner Glow. Next, add a glossy highlight. Fill a circle with a gradient. Then open the Transparency panel and change its opacity to create subtle contouring.